Welcome to Center Island, Toronto's hidden gem and one of the most beautiful spots in the city. If you're looking for a perfect day trip, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore everything Center Island has to offer. So, let's dive in. Your adventure begins with a scenic ferry ride from downtown Toronto. The Toronto Islands are just a short 10-minute ferry ride away, and the journey itself offers stunning views of the city's skyline. Don't forget to have your camera ready. As you step off the ferry, you'll be greeted by lush greenery, beautiful gardens, and a sense of tranquility. Center Island is the largest of the Toronto Islands and is perfect for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Our first stop is Centreville Amusement Park, a charming, old-fashioned amusement park that's been entertaining visitors since 1967, with over 30 rides and attractions, including the iconic Ferris wheel and antique carousel. It's a must-visit for families with kids. Just a short walk from Centreville, you'll find the Franklin Children's Garden. Inspired by the beloved character Franklin the Turtle, this garden is designed for children to explore and learn about nature through interactive exhibits and beautiful plant displays. If you're in the mood for some relaxation, head to one of the island's beautiful beaches. Center Island Beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or just enjoying a picnic by the water. The blue flag designation means it's one of the cleanest beaches in the city. Speaking of picnics, Center Island offers numerous picnic spots and BBQ areas. Whether you're planning a family gathering or a romantic lunch, you'll find plenty of picturesque locations to spread out a blanket and enjoy a meal surrounded by nature. For the more adventurous visitors, renting a canoe or kayak is a fantastic way to explore the island's waterways. Paddle through serene lagoons, observe local wildlife, and take in the breathtaking scenery from a different perspective. Another great way to see the island is by bike. Center Island has several bike rental shops, and the flat, scenic trails make it easy for cyclists of all levels to enjoy. Don't miss the opportunity to ride along the boardwalk and take in the stunning lake views. A visit to Center Island wouldn't be complete without stopping by Far Enough Farm. This small petting zoo has been a favorite for generations of visitors, featuring a variety of farm animals including goats, sheep, and pigs. It's a wonderful place for kids to get up close and personal with animals. When it's time to refuel, there are several restaurants and cafes on the island offering a range of delicious options. Whether you're in the mood for a casual snack or a sit-down meal, you'll find something to satisfy your cravings. As the day winds down, Center Island offers some stunning spots to watch the sunset. Head towards Island for some of the best views of the Toronto skyline as the sun dips below the horizon. It's the perfect way to end your island adventure. Center Island truly has something for everyone. From fun-filled attractions to serene natural beauty, It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and create lasting memories. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Center Island. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.